Hi, hello, my dear students. Welcome to our channel Rajesh Biology, and I'm Rajesh in Biology. So, the today's topics are ecology. In that ecology unit, ecosystem, biodiversity and conservation, environmental issues. So, before starting the session, let me check is our session is started or not, and is my voice is clear or not first. Yeah, the session is just started now, and already Chinnu, Rupamahesh are attended. Thank you so much. Sorry for the delay for 4 minutes. And yeah, good evening, Chinu. Chinu, you are absent of our morning session. Is my voice is clear? Yes, voice is also clear. So without any late, we'll start the session with the first slide. Here we have a app Rajesh Biology, which is available in the Google Play Store for the free. In that ad-free content is available, free tests, free courses, free study material is available. Some are paid courses and paid tests are also available. If you purchase that, it is so much of benefit for you. And free materials are always free for all the students. Okay. So now here it is our first question to solve. Yeah, thank you, Chinnu, for the clarification, confirmation. Come to the first question. Nutrient enrichment of water bodies leads to fish mortality because of. Nutrient enrichment of water bodies leads to fish mortality because of increase in temperature, deficiency of essential minerals, non-availability of oxygen, less amount of light. Yes, 1 3 perfect. Non-availability of the oxygen. Next, Minimata disease is caused by which pollution and first observed in which country? Minimata. Minimata disease, it is actually caused by the mercury, and it is observed in Japan first. Come to the next question. In which year noise was included as an air pollutant? It is very, very important. I'm going to guess this question. Yeah, Rup Mahesh, correct. Very good. I'm going to guess this question in the next NEET examination 2023. They will definitely focus on noise pollution and air pollution, their connection. You should know this year. Here it is the 1987. Come to the fourth question. We have topic wise weightage from the different subjects: physics, chemistry, biology. Topic wise weightage is there in our app. You can find this, which is helpful for our preparation. Come to the fourth question. Which metals are used in catalytic converters to help break down the pollutants? Yes, which one? Which metals are used in catalytic converters to help break down the pollutants? Platinum, rhodium, palladium, or all of these? Actually, platinum, rhodium, palladium, everything are used. So, all of these is the right answer. Next, Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was passed in the year. Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was passed in the year. Fifth question. In this chapter ecology, you should focus on these years also. In which year it is passed as an act, and Air Pollution Act and Water Pollution Act, and the chemicals which are used to catalytic converters, which are used in catalytic converters. These are very important concepts. Come to here in 1974. Fifth one, not two, it is 1974, fifth one. Come to the sixth question. Study planners for NEET is also available in our app. You can find this. Come to here, the sixth question. The thickness of ozone is measured in. The thickness of ozone is measured in. It is very easy question, important question. Mahesh and Chinnu. Yes, actually it is not dB, it is decibels. dB means Dobson units. So the right answer is 2. Come to the seventh question. Snow blindness is related to what? Cataract, inflammation of iris, mutation, inflammation of cornea. Cataract. Yeah, Chinnu. Inflammation of iris, you are saying. For the seventh question, the right answer is what? Cataract. Cataract is the inflammation of cornea. Yes, the right answer is 4. Yeah, Chandrika, very good. It is not DB, it is DU. Come to the eighth question. Still, what are the chapters are pending in the second year NCRT biology to conduct the quiz for tomorrow? Yes, okay, correct, Chinnu. Next, eighth. Yes, Rok Mahesh, very good, well done. So, eighth question. Increase in concentration of toxic substances at successive trophic levels is called. One grand test, cumulative test is also we started. Actually, our quizzes are started with the cumulative test series like complete first year NCRT zoology, complete NCRT first year botany, like that we started. Second year also we will conduct. Okay. Tomorrow I'll try to conduct the both first year and second year NCRT cumulative botany or zoology. Okay. Eighth question, the right answer is biomagnification. Yes, correct, Chinnu. Super. Come to the ninth question. And that diseases, as I'm already told you previously, within 2 to 3 days, I'm going to conduct that diseases, special diseases session also for the NEET preparation. That is also prepared, the slides. Which of the following is not true for electrostatic precipitation? Which of the following is not true for electrostatic precipitation? It can remove 99% of particulate matter present in exhaust from a thermal power plant. It is correct. It has a scrubber which removes gases like SO2. Yeah, good evening, Varna. That is also right. It can't remove particulate matter of size 2.5 micrometers or less than in diameter. Correct. These are electrical devices that separate the particulate matter on the basis of their sizes. No, it is not going to separate the particulate matter. The right answer is option 4. Next, come to the 10th question. In our app Rajesh Biology today magazines are available. Screen not clear, okay. Chinnu, again I'm saying the same thing. Click on your screen first, and at right upper corner there is a settings button. In that settings button, first quality. In that quality, go to the advanced. In that advanced, select the 720. 720 or 480 is also clear. Still, if it is not so clear, maybe the problem is related to the internet issue, or maybe the net balance is poor, like that. These are the reasons. But from my side, I'm going to provide more than 720 pixels clarity with high-speed internet. 10th question. Increasing concentrations of sulfur dioxide destroys. Increased concentrations of sulfur dioxide destroys the chloroplast. Yes, correct. 11th question. Very good, Aparna. Montreal Protocol was signed to control emission of ozone depleting substances. It became effective in the year. Montreal Protocol, very important, regularly asking question. Yes, correct, Gnaneshwari, welcome. 11th question. Montreal Protocol, చాలా important question ఇది. You should learn about the Montreal Protocol, and it is effective in 1989. 1989. Next, 12th question. 12th question. Which plant has become a troublesome weed in agricultural fields? It is very important, very easy question for the 12th question is yes, Gnaneshwari right, Aparna and Rupmahesh, Chinnu, everyone right. Come to the 12th question. Everybody knows about this plant, and it is a most famous plant which is invaded into our country. Jatropha, Chinnu, and Gnaneshwari says Spirogyra. Okay, so you didn't know about this. 12th question. Icarnia. Yes, correct, Aparna Padipanda, right? Icarnia is most dangerous weed in our country. Most dangerous. Terror of Bengal, something it has another name. How much speed you can remove that Icarnia from that water ponds? Double or triple to that speed it can grow. 13th question is the given diagram showing the relative contribution of various greenhouse gases to global warming. Choose the correct answer. A is 60%, B is 20%. Yes, the right answer is 1. Okay, Chinu, no problem. You can stop the session whenever you have the free time and full internet balance. At the time, you can watch this because I can't do anything if the screen is not so clear because of your internet issues. It is so much of clear to my mobile in. Um, you can turn this screen also in this manner, in a landscape manner. Slaugh and burn agriculture is also referred as option 1 JFM, option 2 Jhum cultivation, option 3 crop rotation, and option 4 mulching. I'm reading from this mobile only, so it is not a problem from my side. So in our app Rajesh Biology, we have you can watch the video lectures also related to these topics like genetics, body fluid circulation, online quizzes for NEET aspirants, which is already completed previously, breathing and exchange of gases, animal kingdom, and digestion and absorption. Chapter-wise quizzes are available in this online quizzes. Come to the question number 14. Slaugh and burn agriculture is also referred as. It is very easy, important, and even school students are also can say the answer for this because it is there in 8th class or 9th class. That is called Jhum cultivation. Okay, next come to the 14th question. It is not crop rotation, it is Jhum cultivation. They burn the crop once they get that yield. Immediately they burn that crop and they move to the next land. Okay, this type of cultivation is Jhum cultivation. Podu Vyavasayam. Come to the 15th question. Consider the following statements and choose the correct option. Yes, Deforestation generally increases global warming, soil erosion, and decreases the rainfall. Correct. Almost 40% of forests of tropics have been lost due to the deforestation. Also right. Deforestation disturbs hydrologic cycle and can cause desertification. Right. Chinnu, you are right. All of the statements are correct. Come to the 16th question. Here it is. And in our app Rajesh Biology, I was already completed a course that is a short-term course. In that course, I completed the 6 chapters: Kingdom Animalia, Animal Tissues, Earthworm, and along with that genetics up to the Morgan experiments and human reproduction, reproductive health. 6 chapters I completed, and that 6 chapters related daily test, weekly test, grand test, and reading sessions, mind maps, important notes, doubt clearing sessions, topic wise previous questions in every topic, previous questions in every subheading, what is the question they asked previously, each and everything we discussed in that short term course. It is useful for the students who are preparing for the NEET. The students can join in that, and if you feel as it is more price, if you send me a message, I can provide you a special coupon code personally, because in a public coupon is already expired. Come to the 70th question. So, sorry, 16th question, 17th not. The 16th question, the right answer is, who says the answer for this? Nobody. Biological oxygen demand of polluted water is higher than the drinking water. Correct. Organic waste present in polluted water to oxidize these wastes, oxygen is required. That is also correct, and it is the correct explanation. Yes, correct, Aparna Patibanda and Chinnu, you are right. And in our app Rajesh Biology, there is 70 practice tests, 70 plus practice tests are available, which is available only for the 100 rupees. That means less than 2 rupees for the test. In this 70 plus also, one is a 2022 NEET examination paper, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, all are there. And another one is guessing paper, 2023 NEET examination guessing paper. And some more grand tests are also available, week tests and part tests, chapter wise tests are available in that. Interested students can join in that also. Come to the 70th question. Statement 1. Warm and moist environment conditions favor decomposition. Yes, correct. Bacterial and fungal enzymes degrade detritus into simpler inorganic substances. This is called anabolism. This is wrong. So only one statement is correct. That too statement 1 is correct. That means the right answer is 3. Come to the 18th question. So here in this, I'm going to show you the app, and in that how to attempt the free test also. Yes, correct, Aparna and Chinu. In this, if you click on the left upper corner 3 bars, a side menu will open. In that side menu, the fourth option is the free test. More than 20 plus tests are available. You can select your favorite topic to attempt the test, and in that, one question and 4 options are there. For every question, there is 4 marks and one negative mark is there. If you have any doubt to solve the question, if you feel it is a time waste to spend more time with that particular question, you can skip that question by clicking on the review button. Because when you are submitting the exam, it shows you like you already reviewed one question before submitting, complete that question. Like that, it says the one suggestion, and they can directly go to that particular question by clicking on the purple color buttons. They are only checked for you click it for the review, and after that it shows you how much time is remaining, how many questions you attempted, how many questions you reviewed, and how many questions you left, everything. After submission, immediately it calculates your score along with this negative marks also, and your rank based on the students how many are attempted, and the solutions also for the questions for every question in the test. Okay, it is really an amazing experience. You can find this in our app Rajesh Biology. and in future all the exams are conducted in the same manner. And thank you for watching this video. And you are right, Aparna Patibanda and Chinnu. The right answer is coral reefs. Next, 19th question. World Summit on Sustainable Development was held in World Summit. The World Summit Sustainable Development. You should know there is different World Summits are there in different locations in different times. You should know the concept on what they held that meeting and where, because Johannesburg is also there, Rio de Janeiro is also there. Both in both places, this World Summit, Earth Summit are conducted. Yes, perfect, Chinu and Aparna Patipanda, Johannesburg. Come to the 20th question. MAB program launched by UNESCO. That MAB stands for what? Yeah, Chinu, superb. The right answer is man and biosphere. Very good. 21st. Identify the incorrect pair. Identify the incorrect pair. That means in this, all are correct. When this type of questions are asked in the any quiz, not only in my channel, in others channel also, if this type of questions they ask, it is better to take one screenshot because in this, three are correct. Yeah, 21st question, the right answer is national parks 90 only. The right answer is biodiversity hotspots. They are not 25. Okay. Come to the 22nd question. Yes, Aparna, right? Come to the 22nd question. Which of the following is not included in evil quadrant of biodiversity loss? Evil quadrant. Which of the following is not included in evil quadrant? Evil quadrant means four only. Quadrant. Quadrant means four. In that four, one is not included. Yes, Chinnu, pollution. Very good. Habitat loss and fragmentation, overexploitation, co-extinction. Another one is what? If it is not pollution, then what it is? Can you say that fourth quadrant? It is deforestation. Come to the 23. In India, we find different types of rice in terms of productivity, starch content, flavors, size. These large variations is an account of. It is very important. Is it a hybridization or ecological diversity, species diversity, or the genetic diversity? Invasion of alien species, very good, excellent. Invasion of alien species also. Evil quarter. Deforestation and fragmentation, that is one. Invasion of alien species, co-extinction, and what they said, overexploitation, correct. 23. Invasion of alien species, there is example like Nile perch into the Lake Victoria. So for every thing, you should learn that examples also. That Nile perch is going to kill the local fishes, cichlid, like yes, chin. Come to the 23. In India, we find different types of rice. Yeah, 23, Aparna Patibanda, you are right. It is genetic diversity. And it is their direct line from the NCRT. It is not ecological diversity, it is the genetic diversity. Within the same species also, different sizes is because of the genetic diversity. Come to the 24th question. Here, yes, x-axis is what and y is what, z is what, the c is what. Actually, this is the graph between the species area relationship. So if we plot a graph, species area relationship against the species area relationship, and it shows a logistic growth. So definitely x and y axis are area and species richness. So which is area, which is the species richness? At certain extent, even though we increase the area, the species are not increases. So it is area and it is species richness. X is area. Definitely option 1 and 4 are wrong. No, Y is not area, Chinu. Come to the 24th. The right answer is 3. Z is slope and C Y intercept. Come to the 25th question. 25th question. For fruit-eating birds, mammals in tropical forests, the slope is found to be 1.15. The values are there. Come to the 26th question. The values are mentioned in the NCRT or in AP Telangana state books. They mentioned about this tropical forest slope is how much and the rainforest slope is how much. They mention the values. 26th question. Quagga, tiger, dodo, thylacine and stellar sea cow. Bali, Mauritius, Africa, Russia, Australia. Okay. Come to the 26th. The right answer is 1. A3, Quagga is Africa. And B1, tiger is Bali. These are the countries. Another one is extincted animals in that. Come to the 27th question. Introduction of Nile perch in the Lake Victoria leads to the extinction of. Yes, just we discussed about this. Extinction of which fishes? Yeah, 27th one. Cichlid. Excellent, Chinu. Guess you are going to give the right answer. My guess is right. Come to the 28th question. Which of the following is ex-situ conservation? Very important it is also, you should know which is ex-situ and which is in-situ conservation and their examples also. 28th question. Which of the following is ex-situ conservation? Wildlife sanctuaries, geological parks, national parks, biodiversity hotspots. Yeah, 28 3. National parks are not ex situ. Geological is the ex situ. National parks are in situ conservation because where the animals are generally grown in that forest, around the forest they build a wall and they call that a wall. Because of that wall, that is called a national park. If there is no wall, that is called a forest. But zoological park is not like that. They buy a land, they build all cages are there. In zoological parks, you can observe the cages. In that cages, they They keep some animals, wild animals. But in the national parks, they just freely move. In national parks, they are going to leave the some deers as for the predators. For the predators, they hunt in the national parks. They are not going to give the meat to the wild animals. Wild animals wantedly run and they hunt. They eat in national parks. Come to the 29th question. Choose the wrongly matched pair. Aravali Hills, Rajasthan, correct. Yes, we already discussed. Earth Summit, Rio de Janeiro, correct. Amazon rainforest are known as the lungs of the planet, correct. So the right answer is 2. Next is correct. Uh, 30th question. Rivet Paper hypothesis was given by the who? What is the scientist name who gives the Rivet Paper hypothesis? And the students who are come from the AP Telangana, they definitely know the answer for this question because it is very important 4 mark question in first year biology, first year zoology, diversity in living world. So you are not from the AP Telangana, Chinu. 30th question, Darwin. Darwin is wrong answer. Paul Ehrlich. The scientist name is what? Paul Ehrlich, who is going to give the rivet paper hypothesis. Rivet paper. When we are going to remove the rivets one by one, the aeroplane is going to crash. That is the hypothesis. Come to the 31st question. Statement 1. Extensive conservation is desirable approach for organisms facing high risk of extinction. Correct actually. Rate of extinction of wildlife has become rapid in the last 100 years. That's also correct. So both statements are correct. The right answer should be 1. 32. Species diversity decreases as we move away from the poles towards the equator. If we move away from the poles towards the equator, species diversity decreases. Actually, the statement 1 is wrong. Statement 1 is wrong. Tropics harbor has more species than the temperate areas. That is correct. So the right answer is 4. Only statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 is wrong. No, Chinu. When we move from poles to the equator, um, species diversity decreases. No, when we move to the poles to the equator, the species diversity increases. Tropics harbor more species than the temperate areas. Correct. Yes, please ask Chinu. And in AP Telangana, there is a question for PU examination, IP examinations. Why tropics have greater biodiversity? Why greater biodiversity present in the tropics region? Because of the unchangeable characters in the tropics. There is greater biodiversity. When we move from tropics to the temperate regions, diversity decreases. When we still move more to the poles region, at polar region, there is no great diversity. Assertion 32. 32A, first statement out. Species diversity is more in the tropical region. Tropic means equator region. Here it is more species are there. The tropical rainforest, Amazon rainforest, in that so much of great diversity is there that is present on the equatorial line. Because of the equatorial line, it has a great diversity. But when we move from the equator to the upside, that is called temperate regions. Either side of the equator, this is what? Temperate regions. It is temperate region. Okay, in these temperate regions also diversity is there, but when compared with the equator, it is less. And last, these are the polar regions, ice caps. In the ice regions, there is no much diversity because so much of ice is only there, and it is not suitable temperature, suitable environment for the growth of any other plants and animals. Very few. Come to the 33 question. Clear, Chinnu? Endemic species can be best defined as 33 endemic species. You know, endemic species means species conformed to one region and not found in anywhere else. That is called endemic species. Correct. But your 32 question number, you ask a doubt whether it is clarified or not. I want to know that. Come to the 35, 34. Red list is given by. Yes, actually, these all are the 1 mark, 2 mark questions from AP Telangana IP examination. Very important 1 mark and 2 mark questions. Yes, thank you, Chinnu. Come to the 34th question. WWF, UNESCO, UNEP, IUCN. Actually, the related question is there in the 35th only, right? IUCN, International, so it is not Indian. Yes, 35 also you should say. It is very easy question. Chinnu, it is not Indian. IUCN full form, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Come to the 36th question. Vertical distribution of different species occupying different levels is. Vertical distribution of different species occupying different levels is. Yes, vertically different layers. Topology, eutrophication, pyramid, stratification. Yes, excellent. It is stratification. Come to what percent of PAR captured by plants to perform photosynthesis? It is not pyramid, it is stratification only. 37th question. How much percentage of PAR captured by plants to perform photosynthesis? Yes, it is 2 to 10%. 38. Which of the following statements is not true? Correct, Chinnu. Which of the following statements is not true? 38. A species may occupy more than one trophic level in same ecosystem at same time. A species may occupy more than one trophic level in a same ecosystem at the same time. Correct. Pyramid of energy is always upright. Perfect, right? Pyramid of energy is always upright. It is very important statement. Ecological pyramids accommodate both food chain and food web. No, ecological pyramids never show the food web. It can show the food chain only. So it is not true. Come to the 39th. Which of the following is an inverted pyramid? Yes, it is very important. Inverted pyramid. Which of the following is an inverted pyramid? 39. Yes, pyramid of biomass in sea is a inverted pyramid. Question number 40. The entire sequence of communities that successively change in a given area are called. Question number 40. The entire sequence of communities that successively change in a given area are called. Climax communities, succession, share, and ecotone. It is a share. In a particular climate condition, rate of decomposition becomes slow if detritus is rich in. In a particular climate condition, rate of decomposition becomes slow if detritus is rich in. If because of what this rate of decomposition becomes more difficult and becomes late. Very easy question. You should know this for chitin and lignin, which are very strong substances which are not easily to dissolve. Chitin and lignin, if they are present in the detritus, it becomes more late. Come to the 42. Yes. Assertion. Gross primary productivity of an ecosystem is the rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis. A reason. A considerable amount of NPP utilized during the respiration by plants. 42. The right answer is correct one. It is gross primary productivity of an ecosystem is the rate of production of organic matter during the photosynthesis is correct. Net primary productivity utilized during respiration is wrong. After respiration, the remaining thing is called net primary productivity. So assertion is correct. Reason is false. Come to the 43. Which is not used for construction of ecological pyramids. Construction of ecological pyramid, which are going to not use. Fresh weight is not used. Fresh weight is not used to construct ecological pyramids. 44. Pioneer species on bare rocks are. Pioneer species on bare rocks are lichens. Yes, correct. You are, Chinu. For 44, the answer is lichens. 45. Environmental factors that regulate the rate of release of nutrients into the atmosphere. Which factors regulate the release of nutrients into the atmosphere? Soil or moisture or pH or all these? Yes, correct. You are. All of these are the factors which influence the release of nutrients into the atmosphere. Come to the 46. What percentage of energy is lost as one goes from one trophic level to the next trophic level in an ecosystem? 46, 90%. 47, it is not 10, it is 90. Come to the 47. Global warming result in rise in sea level, change in crop pattern, loss of coastal line, or all of these. Very easy. Global warming results in. Yes, correct. All of these. 48. Assertion. There is a functional boundary between the ecosystems. That is the assertion. Correct. There is a constant exchange of energy and materials from one ecosystem to the another ecosystem. There is a constant exchange between two ecosystems. Correct, that is also. And is that correct explanation? There is a functional boundary. Functional boundary means automatically there is a constant exchange is there. Correct. 48 is 1 and you are right, Chinnu. Come to the 49th and 50th questions. So here the 49th, which is not a gaseous, biological, biochemical, sorry, which is not a gaseous, biogeochemical cycle in an ecosystem. Yes, 49th, carbon, phosphorus, unbeatable insulin, excellent. Very good. It is a phosphorus. Phosphorus is not a biogeochemical cycle. Uh, 50th question, the lucky question. Students who are going to give the answers for this question, whether it is the right or wrong, they will definitely get the good marks in the future examinations. So, lucky question, as per our YouTube tradition, arrange the following primary succession stages in a sequence of their growth from initial to the later. No, not sulfur. Come to the 50th question. No, it is not three, it is phosphorus and sulfur you are saying. So for this, the right answer is 2. And now I'm going to check your answer, your what you are going to guess, whether it is right or wrong. Phosphorus cycle is sedimentary cycle. It does not have a gaseous phase. Phosphorus cycle is a sedimentary cycle. It does not have a gaseous phase. So, right. Clear? Yes, thank you, Chinu. So this is about today's session. Thank you so much for all the students who are attended and make this session successful, unbeatable initiation. And Chinnu, a special thanks to you for the beginning. From the beginning, you just continued up to the last. And Rupa Mahesh and Aparna Pativanda, for each and every student, thank you so much for attending and make this session successful. And we will meet tomorrow with a new concept. Like I'll try to conduct the cumulative test, the entire NCRT first and second year together for the next test.